Welcome to the VisioMapEditor tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to save a map and restore a map. Unlike some other online tools, VisioMapEditor doesn't automatically save itself. This means that the person modifying the map is responsible for saving their own changes. The Save button can be found within the menu view. When you first open the map, you will see that it's disabled. This is because the map loaded within your browser hasn't yet been modified. Once the map is modified, the Save button becomes enabled. To perform a save action, we click on the Save button. A dialog box appears that allows us to associate a comment to this map version. Here, I'll add a comment so that later, when we see the version, we have some context as to what was changed in that version. When we click the Save button, a map, which is stored locally within our browser, is uploaded to the cloud. So how often should I save? Well, that depends on your circumstances. For example, if you close a Google tab containing your map, then your local changes will be lost. Likewise, if your internet connection fails, then you'll be unable to save your changes. So the best advice that I can give is to save your map whenever you get to the point where you'll be disappointed to lose the current changes. It's also possible to revert to older versions of the map. This might be useful to quickly undo a block of work that is no longer relevant. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll use the Restore feature to undo the changes that we had just saved to the cloud. First, we click on the Restore within the menu view. This opens a dialog with a list of versions that have been saved. We see next to each version are comments explaining the changes made in that version. There is also the username of the person who made the change and the date that the change was made. It might be useful, if you have a lot of people in your company, to create a username for each user. This will help track who made what change and when. We're going to select and restore the version just before the version that we saved. This will load that version locally into our web browser. If we want this restored version to be the current version, then we need to perform another save. So let's do that quickly now. I'll add another comment like reverted to map version 1. And let's save that. Now, the next time the map is loaded, it will be this map that we see. That's all for saving and restoring. Thanks for watching.